Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a very rare Honda SS90. Really hard got, especially in this condition. 1968 model. It's been completely rebuilt from the ground up by Alan here at Retro Bikes Dublin, who knows these type of things. You know, back to front. It actually was his second bike ever was an SS90. So he knows these things very, very well. So really well put together, really nice condition, and to find them at all and even in reasonable condition is hard. So one like this is even harder. So rear tire even, sorry, is pretty much brand new, 1968. Indicators and rear brake light are time correct. Onto the seat itself, really nice condition. Little seat here, also time correct. The exhaust here is in really nice condition. It's the original exhaust, I believe. Oh no, sorry, it's not. It's an over exhaust that's been put on here. I think we do have another exhaust for it if you want the kind of more standard one underneath that will fit in here. The rear pegs here and for the pillion and the original pegs for rider, good condition. Brake lever on the right hand side. The kickstart here, good condition. The kind of oil catcher, as they would have called them, but just is just for show really than anything else rather than the actual one. Engine nice condition. Tank is in really good condition up over the top, as you'll see throughout. Only 3,000 miles on the odometer. Left and right hand side instrument gauges, good condition. Grips are time period correct, as well as the levers itself. Front headlamp is in nice condition, as well as the indicators. Front mud guard here really good. The fork seals are good as well, or gaiters I should call them actually. Front forks themselves are decent condition, little signs of aging, but again the bike is from 1968, so just remember that. It is in really, really nice condition. Frame really good condition, and the key here as well. Main stand only on the bike, chain guard is present, everything there. Really, really good little bike here, especially for the age. Again, I could say nice little run around. Hard got like this in nice condition and good running condition as well, as we'll see in the ride along video. Okay, we're on the SS90, and as you see, it ticks over. Now it does take a while to do that. You kick it up, you keep the revs on. It's the same as any of these bikes. They don't have any valve stem oil seals on them, so it's the same on all of these bikes, but they're double overhead cam on this engine, so this makes it a bit special. They're very quick. They do about 70 miles an hour, which is about 110, 115 kilometers an hour. It has a clutch as well, and I believe it's all down. I believe, maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong. One down, the rest up. On the gears anyway. Fitted indicators to this one as well, working nicely. Brakes working in front and rear, very nice. And with that up and over exhaust, the bike actually sounds brilliant, as you can hear. And you have to remember, this bike is from 1968. It's not a 2015 bike. They do have their little things that they like doing to them, how to start them and all that kind of stuff. That's just to be expected, but we know that the type of person who's going to be buying this bike has probably had one in the past, so knows what to expect. It's really nice having a clutch on one of these bikes. I can't give it socks. You can hear the horn there working, but really nice sound off the bike. I personally love the up and over exhaust system on it. I think it really adds character to the bike. But that's just me. Maybe you're not the same. Oh, we should pull into our house. We'll just do it turnabout here. Should be able to do it, no bother. Up through the gears nicely. It's 4-speed. So 4 gears on it, like I said, it does about 70 miles an hour, so 110, 115 kilometers an hour, so really nice quick little bike. That's kind of what makes these things a bit more special than usual. I'm making a bit of a balls of the gears here, but you have to remember, I get on bikes. I was on a GN 125, then a CB 400 SS, then a what was it, TZR 125 is next. Then there's, you know, so the variance of bikes is crazy, so they all want different things when you get on to ride them. I'm not doing too badly now. Brakes at the front seem non-existent, as you would expect from these type of older bikes. The braking power is questionable. Turn left in here now, and we go through all the electrics, make sure everything's working. I might need a rev or two to keep her idle. There we go, in neutral. Put her up on the main stand, but she's ticking over very, very nicely. Left indicator, as you can see, on both sides. Rear is working as well. Right hand side now, you see working. This one probably needs a bulb, I would say, because they've just been installed. So well, that's it. Front light is working as well, I believe. If I can turn on, if I actually turn on the light itself, as you can see, working very nicely. So that's been it for the Honda SS90 double overhead cams. A little ride and review. See the front ride indicator still on there. Really, really nice little bike. Very, very hard to get hold of, especially in this kind of nice condition. So if you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of these SS90s, and finally subscribe if you haven't already. As well as that, if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, it is at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram and Facebook, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.